From the success of Sahagreen Chonburi power plant to reduce energy costs, as well as the overall environmental impacts in Sahag Group Industrial Park, Sirasha, by using high-efficient production technology and management along the international standards. Sahagreen combined cycle power plant had been commenced commercial operation in 1999 under the Small Power Producer Project with a capacity of 122 megawatts. It was successively registered in the Stock Exchange of Thailand to increase its capital for expanding the capacity to 174 megawatts in 2003. Subsequently, Sahag Group foresaw the importance of renewable energy, which helped to reduce global warming from using commercial fuel. They then assigned Sahagreen Chonburi Public Company Limited to study the direction of renewable energy development to be a social business enterprise. Such study of Sahagreen has been covered the engineering, economics, society and environment. Consequently, biomass is the potential renewable energy, and then Sahagreen Green Company Limited was established in 2006 to operate the biomass cogeneration plant project located at Sahag Group Industrial Park, Lamphun, under the concept of social business enterprise, which has been rewarded as an international outstanding project. Such achievement has been contributed to the ongoing expansion of the renewable energy business of Sahagreen. The company and SCG Paper Business Group has jointly established Sahagreen Forest Company Limited to carry out the business under the policy of Sustainable Energy and Social Responsibility of Sahagreen, the energy business of Sahag Group, and the objectives of SCG Paper Business to utilize raw materials efficiently. Sahagreen Chonburi Public Company Limited is responsible for the design, construction as well as the operation and maintenance management of the power plant, while Siam Forestry Company Limited is incumbent on the biomass fuel supply. For the development of biomass power plants under the Very Small Power Producer Project, or VSPP, with a capacity of 7.5 megawatts, located in Kui Ban Ong Sub-District, Ran Kratai District, Kamphaeng Phet Province. Such project development was followed the managerial model of Sahagreen Green Biomass Power Plant, Lamphun Province. With the measurements to mitigate the environmental impacts and the obvious public participation mechanism of the project, including the continually public relations activities. These created the understanding to the community, and the project was approved in 2009. The construction of the project was under the monitoring of the Tripartite Committee, which resulted the continuous progress. The project has been commercially operated and supplied electricity to Provincial Electricity Authority since January 2013. The energy production process is begun from transporting the biomass, which transformed into the small size with less than 45% moisture content, from the enclosed biomass fuel storage by the closed conveyor system. Such biomass is delivered into the combustion chamber, which step-grate stoker type. The heat from combustion will be transferred to the water in the boiler tube system to convert it into high-pressure steam to drive the steam turbine, which coupled with the power generator in order to produce and supply electricity to the transmission system of Provincial Electricity Authority. The steam released from the steam turbine will be passed through the condenser and condensed to hot water, then be recirculated into the feed water system of the production process. The bottom ash will be released from the grate into the storage. The fly ash will flow with the exhaust entering the electrostatic precipitator, which high efficiency of particle collection. The exhaust emitted through the stack into the atmosphere is the hot air without smoke. The biomass ash after combustion will be collected to use as an ingredient of lightweight concrete production and soil improvement because such ash composed of high organic and nutrient substances. The main biomass fuel sources used in the project are small branch and bark of eucalyptus tree from promoted members and the wood chipping plant for paper pulp production of Sahagreen Forest Eng Company Limited, as well as purchasing of the other biomass such as wood chips and bagasse from farmers and entrepreneurs in the nearby area, which gathering, purchasing and transforming in the wood chipping plant of Sahagreen Forest Eng Company Limited. Before delivery to the enclosed biomass fuel storage within the area of the biomass power plant. The project was considered the adequate reservation of raw water on the conservative way, without any conflicts with the water usage for agricultural purpose in the nearby area. Therefore, the reservoirs was built in the area of 40 rai with total storage capacity of 370,000 cubic meters, which is sufficient for the power production throughout the year. The reservoir is consisted of the primary sedimentation pond and the main water pond. Therefore, the raw water is low level of suspensions and consistent quality, which reducing the chemical usage and the wastewater volume in the water treatment process of the power plant. In addition, the thicket of trees are grown around the area of reservoir as greenbelt to reduce the water loss and support for wastewater utilization from the production process of the power plant, which will be disposed to the wastewater pond and recycled within the power plant without any leakage or discharge to the outside in accordance with the zero discharge objective as specified. The power production of this project can reduce the greenhouse gas emissions approximately 28,000 tons of carbon dioxide per year. As such, the company has been certified by Thailand Greenhouse Gas Management Organization, public organization, as a testimonial of sustainable clean energy process management in the Crown Standard, as well as registration of the Clean Development Mechanism, or CDM, under the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change in 2014, and continually, including many various honorable awards. Sahagreen Forest Biomass Power Plant has welcomed both government and private sectors, educational institutes, local administrative organizations, and community leaders, including those who are interested, to visit the power plant constantly. Apart from the business management in compliance with the certified international standards, Sahagreen Forest has realized the importance of the reinforcing the awareness of public consciousness to employees to involve the social and local activities, coupled with the community's way of life and social responsibility in every dimension. Sahagreen, sustainable energy, social responsibility.